Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Take it simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out of AOL Mail. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the AOL Mail app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen, you can see options like Inbox, Home, Receipts, and Subscription. Well, go to top left corner and tap on the icon. There you can see options like Manage Account, Mail Folders, Contacts, News, Notifications, etc. Go ahead and tap on Manage Account. Now from there, tap on Edit from the top right corner. Now you're gonna see a Remove option. Tap on Remove option, then select Remove from your screen and you'll be able to log out. And guys, that's it. That's how you log out of AOL Mail. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.